Welcome to Sun News Live.
Hey guys, Amelia here, and tonight we're attending a legendary event to celebrate Sophie T and her boundless art. It's all about celebrating the beauty in every curve, every color, and every unique story. This is such a monumental one night only at one of the most iconic stages in London. So let's go and get ready for this fabulous night and celebrate together the female form and Sophie. Guys, I just used the terracotta Le Temps to do my full face and I really love it. It's really lovely, subtle, harmonizing smell. I used a brush, this brush that I love. I know I need to clean it up. I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna try the terracotta concealer. I have the shade 4N. Packaging is so lovely. Look, it's made of 95 natural ingredients. Wow. Looks tiny bit lighter than the foundation. The foundation, by the way, it's a 4W. It's a 4 warm because I'm more like a warm skin tone. But yeah, let's test it out. First impressions, but I really love the smell of the foundation. But if you're a person that doesn't like scents on your makeup, probably I'll tell you to stay away from this one. But at this one, oh my God. I'm having some technical difficulties. Wow, it's pretty sealed, but I love the brush. What do you call it? Do you even call it a brush? You call it an applicator. I love the applicator. So let's test it. You'll see it firsthand right here. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, you know what? The color is not bad, but I feel probably not light enough for the effect I normally go for. But yeah, today we'll do this. Yeah, they're saying this is good. Yeah, this is good if you're doing a very natural makeup, or even if you're really going for a concealer, like the normal purpose of a concealer. But I think for contouring, no bueno. But you know what? It's very lovely. Very lovely. But yeah, for the contouring purpose that I want, it's not suitable, but yeah, pretty good as a concealer. I am going to an event and I want to look fabulous, so I'm gonna do my normal snatched look. For the snatch effect, I'm gonna go with a Kate Von D concealer. I do use the shade Light 107. It's really light. There's loads of product on that applicator, which you need it, and then you only use it in one go. Just there, there. There, and then I'm gonna mark below my cheeks. Et voilà. So I like to go with the same brush. I tap it, the product over there, but this really gives me that snatch effect you'll see in a moment, and highlights the eye area. Lovely. Ooh, but I love the smell of this foundation. Oh my God. It's lovely. Then I do my contouring. I'm just gonna use the Sleek foundation, but normally I go with a concealer brush, just go over there on the product, and then I go in the areas that I want to contour. So over there, just below my cheekbone, over there, and over there, boom, and then I go on my nose. I'll just get closer to the mirror because I want to get it right. But yeah, this is what I do. Then I go with a contouring brush and I blend it like. The next step is to set it, and we're gonna set it with my favorite setting powder, which is the Kate Von D setting powder translucent. I love it. Done. After setting, we blush, and I'm gonna go with this one. It's by Yves Saint Laurent Baby Doll. I love it. I have it for a while, actually. You can't even read the label. But I love this one. You can use it on your lips and as well as a blush. Yeah, I'm feeling like a dolly look today. But yeah, this is what I do. I just put a few dots on my cheek, just a little below that contouring line. And then with a brush, this one is by Kiko. With a brush, I'll go and tap it in. Boom, 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 boom. Et voila. Actually, I love liquid blush. I don't know why. But I feel that you can work the product a little bit better. I don't know. I haven't used a powder oh my god. I haven't used a powder blush in a while. But I really love the liquid one. Sometimes I actually even use a lipstick as blush. Being creative. But yeah, I love it. Cute. Then for the really snatch look, I'm gonna go again and do a powder contouring. I have this one for a long time. What I do, I go in the powder with my brush. I go there, just below that cheekbone. I don't do a lot of product at the first go, but look at it. You can tell the difference. Can you tell the difference? Okay, yeah. We do the other side. Boom. I just go around the bone. Actually, I need to do that one a tiny bit more. But I literally just go around where the bone is, and I dare saying I sculpt it, but I go around it and I design it. How many times can you say you go around it? But look at that. If you ever want to look snatched, find a good powder contour. Lovely. Then I do my eye makeup. I'm wondering, because I'm going to an event, should I do a fun eye makeup look? What do you think? Guys, I think a strong blue eye makeup look would be really cool with this outfit. The outfit itself, like the dresses are really white, there's some details, like some lipsticks, very feminine. However, I think, I'm gonna show you, I think a strong blue that will go with that detail and that detail there would really kill this look in a good way. That blue there. What do you reckon? Let's try it out. Life is too short to not be fun. I just got my finger wet and I go over there. Ooh, guys, it's gonna be the first time I do a really dark eye. Oh my. Ooh, I like it actually. I like it. Oh my goodness. Ooh, because I want to make sure they're symmetrical. Okay, now I'm gonna work with the brush. Look how pigmented it is. I just washed my hands and I still have that much product on my finger. Anyways, I'm gonna work with a brush that comes with eyeshadow palette, that one over there. Tiny and simple. I'm just gonna work eyeshadow through my eye. Just see how this goes. I'm not a professional, guys. I really am not. But we do our best. We do our best and we have fun. If you saw, there's a lighter blue, which I feel could be very nice over there. So we just go with the brush over there. What are we gonna do next? Should I do eyeliner? Maybe a little one. I'm gonna go with the Revlon. It's called Blackest Black. One eye done. I'll just go for the other one. But what do you reckon? Nice? Okay, what do you think? God, I really hope I didn't ruin it, but look what I just did. Okay, that was a little bit risque, but it actually worked out, look. Boom, 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 boom. I'm actually gonna go with this one. So yeah, this is Revlon Color Stay Micro Hyper Precision Gel Eyeliner. It's quite a heavy eye look, so I feel I need to lighten it up. Whoa. Can you tell the difference? Et voilà. For my eyebrows, I like to go with Elizabeth Arden Statement Brow. It's a brow gel. I love it. So over there. So we're gonna finish up this eye look. I like to go with the Dior primer. It's called Dior Show Maximizer 3D. Okay. There. So my eyelashes just with one coat, my natural eyelash. I'll go again, just another coat. Boom, look at that. Look at that. Insane. People actually have asked me before when I'm using this one if I'm wearing fake lashes. It really creates that va-va-voom effect on your eyelashes. Look at that. Oh my god. That's the other eye, just with one coat. Okay, that's two on both sides. And to finalize, I'm gonna use the full sleeve by Kate Von D. Love it. This one is called Ink Black 10. I want to show you what the brush is like, by the way. Boom, just the top bit. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Et voila. What do you think? Because I went really heavy on my eye makeup look. I actually want to go a little bit more subtle with my lips. So I'm gonna go with this beautiful Guerlain lip oil. This is Lavender Glow. I'm actually doing a video where I do a review and first impressions on this. Now it's gonna be a spoiler. But yeah, this is lovely. And since I got braces, actually I do love really good lip oil and gloss. Just really, I really need to keep my lips moisturized. So yeah, I'll go with that one. I think that's really what I need. What do you reckon? Feel probably something a tiny bit darker. But let me see if I can save it with lip liner. Yeah, I should have done that before. Look. Boom. She looks very light as well because I had a bunch of foundation on my lips before, but I'm digging this look. I am digging it. You know what? I'm just gonna finalize with some shine with this beautiful Giorgio Armani Neo Nude. And I just go over there, boom. Gives a tiny bit of shine and more sculpt, like a little healthy glow. I already had it, but I don't know, something different about this. Don't you agree? I'll go, boom. I just like to go on my cheeks, there, all done, boom. Complete, look is complete. I like it. Boom, face done. And now I'm gonna get some glitter and shine into my body. I like this Eau Fluido body moisturizer because it has a glow on it. If you're a little bit pale and if you just need that sun-kissed look, this is a great go-to. And it smells amazing as well. Boom, it looks like this. It looks like just like another body cream. But once you get it into your skin, I'm gonna show you. Oh, it smells amazing, honestly. It has argan oil on its ingredients and it just smells divine. Even I feel pale at times. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but the glow is beautiful. Look. Ooh, but this smell, I'm telling you, it's insanity. It's so good. Okay, let's accessorize. I got these two necklaces. They're both from Monica Vinader and I really love them. They're my go-to normally. And I replaced my Apple Watch bracelet by this gold one. I'll put the link on the description down below because it's very useful if you still want to count your steps in and still look sophisticated on a formal setting. Still wearing my Aura ring and this ring given to me by my boyfriend from Monica Vinader as well. Okay, I'm gonna put some white tights and I feel like flat, pointy sandals. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna go on flats because I wanna be comfortable all night long. But that's a wrap. Really cute.